Hello, little explorers! Today we're visiting a magical pond where 5 happy frogs love to sing, jump, and splash! Are you ready to count together? 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Deep 5 little speckled frogs sitting on a sunny log, eating yummy bugs all day, yum, yum. One jumped into the cool blue pond, splashing with a happy song. Then there were 4 little frogs. Jump up high, splash around, count together with each sound. One by one, watch them play, learning numbers every day. 4 little speckled frogs play near the flowers bright. One jumped ding with curious delight. Splash! Now there are 3 little frogs. Jumped along.